Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you effortless way to remove Meta AI from Instagram. So as you can see, if you have updated your Instagram and then you go to your Instagram Messenger, you should see this. This is one of the features there. This is Meta AI. Now, if you want to remove this one effortlessly, then what you're going to do is you just have to go to settings and activity, scroll down here. Actually, you need to report a problem, but first you have to look for help, a help option. So help is under this more info and support. So you have to click help right here and then tap report a problem. So you have to click this report problem without shaking and then click report a problem. Tap include and continue and then briefly explain what happened or any concerns that you have. So you can either copy this one or you can create your own message. So for example, good day, Instagram. Can you please help me remove a Meta AI on my Instagram Messenger? I don't find it useful for me and I want the old version of Instagram. So you can state everything here, and as you can see, there is this two option, upload and screenshot. So you can upload that picture serve as a proof that you are using the Meta AI but you don't find it useful, and then screenshot also for any proof that you want to include here. After that, click next or submit this. Now, if you don't want to do this method, then another method here is, I think, good for you. And this is very effortless. What you're going to do is you just have to uninstall your Instagram first. Once you have uninstalled your Instagram, you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then this time you have to search for the oldest or older version of Instagram. Why? In the old version of Instagram, there is no Meta AI there. So if you want to simply get rid or remove this, you just have to click from any of this website. So for example, the first one, and then you have to scroll down here and then look for download. So let's just say you want to download from the version of 2022 or 23. And then there you will not see this Meta AI on your Instagram Messenger. So all you have to do is to download, install, and then launch the old version of Instagram. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.